Most people contact suppliers before they're ready. You need to know what your product is 100% before you contact them. Anything else is a recipe for disaster. Maybe they don't respond, or maybe they decide for you, but not in your favor, or maybe you just get that slow, slippery cost creep over time. So here's what you need to know before you're ready. You need to know the size and dimension because every inch affects your fulfillment costs. You need to decide on materials. Better materials cost more, but they affect your brand positioning. If it's a kit or a set, what components are included? Does it need to actually function or is it decorative? If it functions, how well does it need to work? What size box does it come in? Does it need inserts, instruction sheets, a review card with your branding? Does it come assembled? Or does the customer put it together? And really importantly, how small can you possibly make the box? Every inch matters. Now, here's how you actually make good decisions about all those things. You do your research. Order 3 to 5 competitors if possible, and get examples from good, better, and best tiers. Use them. Take notes. What works? What doesn't? How were they packaged? What inserts do they include? What materials are they using? This is how you make informed decisions. You can't properly spec your product if you don't understand the competition you're trying to beat. Once you've done the research and made these decisions, document them in your product spec. The spec isn't just paperwork. It's forcing yourself to think through every little decision before you reach out to suppliers. To make this a little bit simpler, I built you a free product spec template that you can download and use. It's linked in the description. And if you want to see how I actually fill it out, I walk you through the entire process in my Build With Me series. That's where you'll see me document all the decisions and things I'm thinking through in real time as I design a new product for my brand publicly. I've been doing product development professionally for a decade now, so all of this is second nature to me. But if you're new, this part can feel pretty overwhelming, and that's totally normal. I help a lot of new sellers through this phase, and all these decisions that have to be made is where a lot of people get stuck. But just know that you're not behind. Download my spec template and use that to guide you in thinking through all the questions that need to be answered. In the next episode, I'll show you how to contact suppliers and how to make sure that you actually get responses. All right, let's build something real. I'll see you in the next one.